Hi guys, good day. This is Jay from Pageant Trend. So I'm here now with the candidates of Miss Universe of Philippines Batangas. Ayun, nagagandahan sila guys. Hello, how are you ladies?
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. And please first introduce yourself.
So, hello everyone. I am Princess Dayan Ramos representing the city of Tanawan.
Hi everyone, I'm Yana Isabel Maranan representing Suplang, Tanawan City.
Hi everyone, I am Lai Di Kayla Colegio, proudly representing Trapiche, Tanawan City.
All right. So this video, of course, we will get to know more about these ladies. Ayan. So first, of course, tell us about your experience or pageant experience before or prior of joining Miss Universe Philippines Batangas.
So, last pageant po namin tatlo is yung Binibining Tanawan.
Mhm.
And that was the most memorable one, which is nakilala ko sila and hanggang ngayon kasama ko sila dito and unexpected nga naman yun. And nilulook forward ko din dito sa MUPH Batangas po is magkaroon kami ng crown tatlo kasi ilalaban namin ang Tanawan.
Wow.
Ayan. Well, I think Ate Lady already answered the question. We compete last March for Binibining Tanawan 2024, and I'm glad that I'm also with them throughout this journey.
For me naman po, this is my second pageant experience. So it's really tough and there's a lot of pressure. But when it comes to my co-queens, my co-candidates, they're very supportive with one another and the pressure is relieved because we share the same thoughts
Mhm.
of supporting each other.
How does it feel na kayo-kayo pa rin magkakasama sa competition na to?
Ang gaan po sa feeling ng mga preparation because when you get to know them, they're very jolly and they're very inspiring in terms of their stories. And that's what I really love about them.
Ano yung pinaka mahirap na challenges na pinagdaanan nyo dito sa Miss Universe Philippines Batangas?
So far, the challenge would probably be time management.
Mhm.
I am a student at the same time. I also joining pageantry,
Mhm.
and sometimes it's really hard to balance time, to allot time for your academics and also allot time for the pageant preparation.
How about you, dear?
Yes po. I'm a student also po, as Princess said. And also the financially, there's a lot, napakahirap po talaga ng financially problem in this situation po since we need to maglabas ng maraming pera for us to be beautiful, for us to provide to look presentable. That's all.
How about you, dear?
I think it's also with the schedule because it's really hard to juggle my time. But as we said in the personality development workshop that we had, it's more on you manage your time rather time managing you.
Wow,
Yes.
bonggang-bongga. And ayun, so what else aside from your trainings like sa Q&A Pasarela, what else are you preparing for this competition?
Well, personally, I just prepare for Pasarela and most especially the Q&A portion. We all know that we doesn't just have to be pretty, but we also have to walk in a runway that we look very confident.
Oh, how about you, dear?
I think it's more on giving myself time to relax because we also have to take care of our mental capabilities when it comes to pageantry because we don't want to stutter in the camera, we don't want to be pressured with a lot of the things that are happening, diba?
How about you?
For me is building relationship with with other co-candidates, which is that was the most most challenging because communication is not just about communicating yourself, talking to someone, but with the heart. Kumbaga, you should be friendly to everyone. Yes, should be kind.
All right, and we all know that today is your swimsuit competition or swimsuit challenge. So, are you ready, ladies?
Definitely.
Tanawan, you are ready?
Yes.
Yes, we are.
Bongga. And ano naman yung pinaghandaan nyo dito aside from Syempre, yung diet. What else?
Actually, hindi po ako nag-diet.
Oh,
Yes, because wala na pong time mag-diet kasi sa super pagod po and hectic ng mga schedules. Wala na po kaming time para magutom. Like, kailangan po namin ng more energy.
Well, as for me naman po, I really prepared for my pasarela. And of course, I also practice my communication skills because we know that we will be having a personality interview
mhm.
just happened earlier. So it's just something that I really prepared on.
I think something that I prepared for was my pasarela too because I was criticized by the way that I walk because medyo bara ako pa daw. And you know, you take those criticisms constructively and that's why I prepared for this event. Yeah.
All right. And we all know that joining this kind of competition, merong mga first-timer. So what piece of advice would you like to say to those who are first-timer to join this kind of pageant?
I think it's always put your faith in yourself. That's the best piece of advice that I've got. I think I got it yesterday. And it is something that you should really instill in your mind because it really helps you with a lot of things or a lot of aspects in your life.
Let's go to Princess, of course. You won or you crowned as a Miss Tanawan recently. Of course, some of your fans are expecting or have a high expectations in this competition. So what are your game plans, of course, towards clinching the crown of Miss Universe Philippines
Of
Batangas?
course, my game plan is secret for now, but you should definitely look for it and don't miss out because our coronation will be happening on October 5 at FPJ Arena.
Wow.
See you there.
And what advice would you like to say to all the first timer?
I definitely want to say that do not give up because as a first timer you'll face a lot of defeats, but this should not be the reason for you to give up, but rather use this as an inspiration to be better. And malay mo naman yung defeats na yon, it will give you or it will lead you to the place where you are really meant to be.
Wow.
Sabi nga ni Maya Angelou, you will face a lot of defeats in life but never ever make yourself feel defeated.
Iba talaga. May nakabaong sayings, di ba? Okay, let's move on to Miss what's that?
Trapiche.
Trapiche. Ayan.
So for me, naranasan ko din maging first timer. So been there, done that. So yun lang, wag mong pamaliitin yung sarili mo as a first timer because there's a lot of things that you need to improve since first timer ka. As Princess said, napakadaming struggles but you should know how to overcome it by your confidence.
Wow, bonggang-bongga. Makakahanda-handaan ng mga ladies na to sa kanilang Miss Universe Philippines Batangas competition. Anyway, do you have any social media to promote and as well as kung meron mang online voting ang Miss Universe Philippines Batangas, you can promote it now.
So guys, please don't forget to follow the official Facebook page of the Miss Universe Philippines Batangas. There are a lot of online votings there, so don't forget to look for our photos and click heart, and of course share it to your friends.
And also follow the mechanics because your votes won't be counted without following the mechanics. And we hope to see you at our coronation night. Once again, it is on October 5 at FPJ Arena San Jose.
Wow, and do you have any social media? Of course.
Yes, for more updates, you can follow me, Yana Isabel Fajardo Maranan, at Facebook and in Instagram, Yana Maranan.
And of course, I am Princess Dayan Ramos on Facebook and Cesar Ramos _ on Instagram. Underscore.
Of course, for the last, I am Lady Kyla Colegio po on my FB and _ Lyd Kyla Colegio, L Kyla Colegio on my Instagram, and also follow my TikTok, which is oh my god, which is LKYVLRD. Alam niya.
All right, ladies, maraming salamat and best of luck on your competition.
Thank you so
And
much po.
also, please don't forget to support these ladies on their Miss Universe Philippines Batangas pageant. And syempre, huwag niyong kalimutang i-subscribe ang aming YouTube channel, Pageant Trend, and our Instagram account at Pageant Trend Official _ and as well as our Facebook page, Pageant Trend and Pageant Trend Philippines. Maraming salamat guys for watching. See you in our next video or interview. Bye!